understand, it's no one's home. When you introduce a pig to someone else's home, that's when they fight. But here is neutral. They should, but watch them fight. That's just looked at. Only if they fight like aggressive. Take Key out. He's trying to protect Key. They're bonded, so this is neutral ground, so they should be okay.
You should.
Yeah, should.
Should, please. Okay, eat. Please eat. Don't fight. Eat. Not fight. Okay, please. Okay. Please stop.